Fáilte Rash, welcome back, Jochen Shaw, welcome back this week. And if you're new, then Fáilte, Mila Fáilte, 1,000 welcomes as well. And thank you for joining us at Gaeilge Online. So this is how to say where you're from in Irish. So if someone asks you where you're from, which is different to where you're living, obviously. Where you're from is where you're actually hail from. So let's look at the really easy and, well, kind of easy and short phrase in Irish to say where you're from. And also I'll show you where to get the Irish for where you're from as well. So I'm from wherever. First of all, we'll just work with blank is us, wherever it is, may. Is us something may. So is us Éireann may, I'm from Ireland. Is us Kilwanton may, I'm from Wicklow. So that's how to say where you're from. Now, if you're Irish, you can easily find your county and your town or wherever you live at all. It even goes down to streets on lugannon.ie. So you just type it in English and it'll tell you what it is in Irish. It'll also have a pronunciation, so you'll be able to click here and hear how it's pronounced as well. Now, if you're not from Ireland, then you can go to changlin.ie and you can type in your country and it'll give you your country's name in Irish. And also with this phrase, no change happens to the words, so you can just insert whatever country it is. Let's say it's Isos Mericol me, I'm from America. Isos a New me, I'm from New Zealand. You can type in whatever, you can insert whatever country it is in here, and there's no change grammatically either, so that's nice and easy. And then obviously us Éireann who, if you're from Ireland, then you can type in your actual county there or even your town. So Sinead and Shot, that's it for this week. If you would like to be able to ask where are you from, so be able to ask somebody where are you from, then go look at the Everyday Gaeilge lesson in this newsletter this week as well. It goes through asking somebody where are you from. And on top, so very important for you guys this week is that the beginner course is starting really soon. You're going to get an email about it if you haven't already. I'm recording this earlier in the week, so whenever I get my emails out to you guys, but it's starting Galua really soon, and it's going to be everything that a complete beginner to the Irish language would need to be able to understand the language around them and to be able to use some Gaeilge as well. So I hope to see you inside that program. Slán go fóill, bye for now.